everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this. It's pretty, very easy to make, and also here I use 3mm bicone, and I also made in green, but I use two colors of seed beads, and I use rondel. This is 4mm, and also I made this color too. So our materials, I have brown iris seed beads 11O and 3mm bicone and earring hooks, and I have my beading needle, and the length of my thread is 2.5 feet, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. First, I pick up 8 seed beads, pass through 2 beads, and I'll just leave a short tail. Then pick up 1, pass through 2 beads, pick up another 1, pass through 2 beads, pick up 1, pass through 2 beads, pick up another 1, and pick up 8, and pass through, and pass through 2 beads, and pick up 1, pass through 2 beads, pick up 1, pass through 2 beads, pick up another 1, pass through 2 beads, in the middle, so I'm going to continue making 3 more diamonds because I need 5. So I completed 4 of my diamond shape. So I'm going to make another one. So I pick up 8 seed beads and pass through. Pass through 2 beads. Pick up 1. Pass through 2 beads. Pick up 1. Pass through 2 beads. Pick up 1. Pick up five seed beads, one bicone, and five seed beads. So it's five, one bicone, and five seed beads. Coming out from here, passing through, pick up five, one bicone, and five. So coming out from here, pass through here. Pick up another five seed beads, one bicone, and five seed beads. So coming out from here, so pick up another five. I'll pick up another five bicone and five seed beads. Coming out from here, then pick up five, and pick up another five, one bicone, and five seed beads. Then pass through, So I'm going to just make some couple of knots here, pass through some beads, make some couple of knots before I cut the thread. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. It's pretty. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. And happy beading.